Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install the PyWhatKit library in your VS Code. So, in order to install the PyWhatKit library, you need to head on to the VS Code terminal and type in the following command, which is pip install PyWhatKit. Once you have typed in this particular command, you need to press the enter button and wait for the initialization to proceed. And here you can see that the downloading for this particular library has begun. And once the downloading has been done, the installation will start for the dependencies of this particular library. And after all the installation, the library will be successfully installed. So let's wait for the same. And here you can see that after all of the downloading and installation of the dependencies, we can see this message which says successfully installed PyWhatKit version 5.4 along with all the other necessity requirements for this particular library. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.